Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get a voice chat in Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is verify your account. So in order to verify your account, what you need to do is add a phone number. So in order to do it, simply tap on this add phone option, and then you'll be getting a pop-up box saying add phone number. Now all you gotta do is just simply add in your phone number and then click on continue, and once that's done you'll receive a 6-digit code. All you gotta do is just simply enter in the code and your account will be verified. Now if you don't have your phone number, then what you can do is just simply tap on this verify my age, and once you click on it, there you can verify your age through some government ID. Once that's done, all you gotta do is just head over to your settings, and then among the options simply select privacy option, and once you click on it, here you'll be getting an option that says microphone and camera input, and under it you'll be seeing the option that says use microphone to chat with voice. Now all you gotta do is just simply toggle this on if it is off, and once that's done, simply go to the game, and there on the top of your head you'll be seeing a microphone icon. You can simply click on that microphone icon in order to mute and unmute your voice, and you can also head over to your game, and on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your Roblox icon. Simply tap on that in order to open the settings app, and here you can also select your microphone which you are using through these options as well. And that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.